Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss balancing of redox reactions in basic medium. Basic medium, okay. So for this I am taking MnO4 minus plus I minus gives rise to MnO2 plus I2. First of all, we have to divide into two parts like acidic medium only. That is oxidation, reduction. Oxidation represents increase in number of oxygens, reduction is decrease in number of oxygens. If you take manganese, MnO4 minus 2 MnO2, number of oxygens decreases. So this it is coming under reduction. And automatically the remaining one is coming under oxidation. Actually in iodine there is no oxygens, even though manganese undergoes reduction, so iodine undergoes oxidation, I minus undergoes oxidation. First of all, balancing of atoms. Left side 1 iodine, right side 2 iodines. So we have to take 2I minus gives rise to I2. And manganese MnO4 minus gives rise to MnO2. Both sides same number of manganese atoms are there. Both sides same number, so no need to change. But iodine, left side 1 iodine, right side 2 iodine, so we are taking 2I minus. And second step, like as usual, like acidic medium, we have to balance oxygens. Oxygens are balanced by using water. But if you observe I minus I2, there is no oxygens. So you can take as it is equation. And if you go to manganese side, reduction side, left side 4 oxygens and right side 2 oxygens. Number of oxygens are less on left side. So we have to take MnO2 plus 2H2O, MnO2 plus 2H2O. Now oxygens are balanced. Then next step is hydrogen balancing. Actually this is hydrogen balancing is different when compared to acidic medium. Only this is the different step, the difference between actually here we have to take in acidic medium for balancing hydrogen atoms we are adding H plus. In basic medium, actually if you take oxidation there is no hydrogen, so simply you can write as it is equation because there is no hydrogens to balance. In a reduction side, MnO4 minus, left side no hydrogens, right side 4 hydrogens are there, MnO2 no hydrogens, 2H2O, total 4 hydrogens are present. 4 hydrogens are present. So if it is acidic medium, we can add 4H plus. But basic medium, no. So in the place of H plus, we have to add H2O. In the place of H plus, H2O. And in opposite side, same number of OH minus, same number of OH minus. Same number of OH minus. See here indirectly we are adding H plus. H2 is a combination of H plus and OH minus. And opposite side we added OH minus. Both will get cancelled. Finally H plus only remaining. So indirectly we added H plus in this step. So in the place of H plus, I am repeating once again, in the place of H plus we have to add H2O. And in opposite side same number of OH minus, same number of OH minus. Then remaining everything is as it is like acidic medium. Next step is charge balancing. Charge is balanced by using electrons. See here if you find charge minus 2, 0. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 and on right side it is 0. See among minus 2 and 0, 0 is the higher value. So on 0 side we have to add electrons. See I told you how to find the number of electrons in the previous video. Again I am discussing I2 plus 2 electrons. Difference between minus 2 and 0 is 2. So we have to take I2 plus 2 electrons, higher value minus lower value. 0 minus of minus 2 is 2. So we have to add 2 electrons. Okay. And then if you go to reduction side, minus 1, 4H2O 0, MnO2 0 charge, 2H2O 0 charge, 4OH minus minus 4, 4OH minus is minus 4. Left side minus 1, right side minus 4. Among minus 1 and minus 4, higher value is minus 1. So minus 1 side we have to add electrons. So how many electrons? Higher minus lower simply. Higher value is minus 1. Lower value minus, lower value is minus 4. So this is minus 1 plus 4 plus 3. Minus 1 plus 4, that is plus 3. So we have to add 3 electrons. Minus 1 is charge on left side and right side charge is minus 4. Minus 1 is higher value. So we need to add electrons on minus 1 side. And difference between minus 1 and minus 4 is minus 1. Minus of minus 4, it's plus 3. So 3 electrons we need to add. That is the 2 on left side. See, I told you already, always if it is reduction, electrons added on left side. For oxidation, right side, 3 electrons. MnO2 plus 2H2O plus 4OH minus. Finally, we have to cancel the electrons. For that, first of all, we have to equate electrons. To equate this number of electrons, 2 electrons on oxidation, 3 electrons on reduction. So multiply with 3. Here multiply with 2. Then you will get, after multiplying with 3, you will get 6 electrons on oxidation side. After multiplying with 2, we will get 6 electrons on reduction side also. So 6I minus gives rise to 3I2 plus 6 electrons. 6I minus gives rise to 3I2 plus 6 electrons. And after multiplying with 2, 2MnO4 minus 8H2O plus 6 electrons gives rise to 2MnO2 plus 4H2O plus 8OH minus. We need to multiply entire equation with 2. Previously entire equation with 3. Now simply we can cancel the opposite sides electrons. 8H2O, 4H2O, remaining is 4H2O. Nothing is there for cancellation. We can write 2MnO4 minus plus 6I minus plus 4H2O, 3I2 plus 2MnO2 plus 8OH minus. Finally, we have to verify the atoms. For verification, 2 manganese on left, 2 manganese on right, done. 8 oxygens plus 4 oxygens, total 12 oxygens on left side. Right side, 4 oxygens plus 8 oxygens, 12 oxygens balanced. Iodine 6, 6 balanced. Hydrogens 4 into 2, 8, 8 hydrogens, done. Everything is balanced. Okay, this is basic medium. I am going to discuss one more equation in basic medium. So that is second equation. Actually this equation is known as disproportionation. P4 gives rise to pH3 plus H2PO2 minus pH3 plus H2PO2 minus. In the previous equation, manganese and iodine both are present, 2 different atoms are present. One atom undergoes oxidation and other atom undergoes reduction. But the speciality of this equation is only phosphorus undergoing both oxidation, reduction. This is called disproportionation. So first go to oxidation, reduction. See, we can identify very easily P4. Some oxygens are there in H2PO2 minus. So P4 gives rise to H2PO2 minus is oxidation, increase in number of oxygen atoms. P4 gives rise to pH3, reduction, oxidation, number of oxygens increases, reduction, number of hydrogens increases. And first step, balancing of atoms. 4 phosphorus are there on left side, 1 phosphorus on right side. So we have to multiply with 4. 4H2PO2 minus. And here also 4 phosphorus on left side, 1 phosphorus is on right side. So P4 gives rise to 4 pH3. Atoms are balanced. Second step, oxygen balancing. So this is also basic medium. I am going to discuss in basic medium only. Oxygen atoms. In the previous video I explained acidic medium. First try to be perfect with acidic medium. Then only you can understand basic medium. So oxygens, P4 plus. How many oxygens are on right side? 4 into 2, 8 oxygens are there. So we have to take 8H2O. This is a similar step, like we can do like acidic medium only. And if you observe the reduction side, there is no oxygens. So as it is equation. And next step, hydrogen balancing. I told you already, in acidic medium we added H plus to balance hydrogens. It's a basic medium. In the place of H plus we have to add H2O. In the place of H plus, H2O. And opposite side same number of OH minus. See, if you observe the number of hydrogens, 16 hydrogens are there. 8 hydrogens are there. Right side 8 hydrogens are less. So according to acidic medium we have to add 8H plus. But this is basic medium. So we need to add 8H2O. And in opposite side same number of OH minus, 8 OH minus. If it is acidic medium, we can add simply 8H plus on right side because 8 hydrogens are less. Left side 16 hydrogen, right side 8 hydrogens. 8 hydrogens are less on right side. So 8H2O. Opposite side same number OH minus, 8 OH minus, P4. There is no hydrogens on P4. Left side. Plus here 12 hydrogens are there. Actually, according to acidic medium 12 H plus, but basic medium in the place of H plus H2O. Opposite side same number OH minus, same number OH minus. Finally we have to balance the charge. P4 neutral, no charge. 8 H2O no charge. 8 OH minus charge is minus 8. 4 H2PO2 minus charge is minus 4. Among minus 8 and minus 4 higher value is minus 4. So we have to add electrons on minus 4 side. P4 plus 8H2O plus 8OH minus gives rise to 4H2PO2 minus plus 8H2O plus difference between minus 8 and minus 4 is 4. Higher minus lower minus 4. Minus of minus 8 is a 4. Actually here also we can cancel 8H2O, 8H2O we can cancel. I will write this step once again. We can cancel here only. The one which are present in opposite sides we can cancel simply. The two both are neutral. 8 H2O cancelled. So P4 plus 8 OH minus gives rise to 4H2PO2 minus plus among minus 8 and minus 4. Minus 4 is higher value. Difference is 4. 4 electrons. P4 0 neutral. 12H2O neutral 0. Left side charge is 0. Right side pH3 neutral 0. Minus 12. Minus 12. 12 into minus 1 minus 12. So left side charge 0. Right side charge minus 12. Among 0 and minus 12 higher value is 0. So P4 plus 12H2O plus 12 electrons. Left side charge is more. 12 electrons. 4pH3 plus 12 OH minus. Finally we have to equate the electrons. See, this equation is multiply with 3. This equation already 12 electrons are there. You can take as it is equation into 1. See, we need to equate the electrons by multiplying first equation with 4. We can get 12 electrons. And right side there is no, already 12 electrons are there. So we can take as it is equation. 3p4, entire equation we have to multiply 24 OH minus 12H2PO2 minus plus 12 electrons. And second equation as it is, 12H2O plus 12 electrons gives rise to 4pH3 plus 12OH minus. 12 electrons cancelled, opposite side. 24OH minus, 24OH minus. 12OH minus, remaining is 12OH minus. 3P4 plus P4 is 4P4 plus 12OH minus plus 12H2O gives rise to 12H2PO2 minus plus 4pH3. Finally, verification. How many phosphorus? 4p4. See, actually in all these substances, like 4 is a common term, so we can common 4. Now remaining is p4 after, okay, p4 plus 3OH minus plus 3H2O gives rise to 3H2PO2 minus plus pH3. If you count the phosphorus, 4 phosphorus are left. See, 3 phosphorus and 1 phosphorus, total 4 phosphorus. Phosphorus are balanced. Oxygens, 3 oxygens plus 3 oxygen, total 6 oxygens are there. 3 into 2, 6 oxygens. Oxygens also balanced. Hydrogens, 3 hydrogens, 6 hydrogens, total 9 hydrogens. Here 6 hydrogens and here 3 hydrogens, total 9 hydrogens are there.